Sorry. I think we had a few who said they were attending and everything was ready and they're not, somebody else missed a flight, they couldn't come, but a couple of others last minute they got called in to put out some fires. So they've been doing some firefighting now, so they couldn't come. So
Go to chairs, sir. And sit it, no problem. There is no shortage of chairs. Madam, you bane. We'll have another chair. Sanjay, sir. Bani, sir. Madam, sir. Please, bane. You already, sir. Go to that. Sanjay, please. Sanjay, go. Relax. Yes.
good.
Then first we will again, before we forget, we will thank really to make us all join. Really memorable day, I will tell you. In my life, I will remember this. But one thing. Second, I am looking the very one line I like. The business of business is business. Okay. And thank you, Dr. Andrews, for a great presentation. And really, because let's not forget. Yes. Now, can we convert this seminar to the benefit of something? I mean, we will keep maximum 30 minutes, maximum. One day we have spent 30 minutes. If it can be beneficial to all of us on brainstorming session, I thought.
Sure.
But it can start from Dani sir or anything, not me. I mean, don't think I am doing something for myself. So I want others. Don't want Sanjay to speak because he will speak only after you recorded my and speak. I don't want that. Can we do something? Can we identify a field where this can be applied and show it to the sir? One thing I want to ask you. Is there any small system where you have applied this and shown it a great profit for the organization? If you have a role model, something, if it's very big, very difficult to identify variables, right? So many factors will be there. For example, you apply it to Infosys, IBM, Wipro. There are 100 things going on. Nobody would tell ERP made the change, definitely. They would say, yes, ERP helped us. But is there a way where we can think of a small system where maybe all of us can do something, in whichever field we are good at, make it to happen and show. I know, because one thing, financials. Another thing, it can also show some productive, very great factor for society. So actually we have to apply all this theory. We have to apply, make it to happen. It may take a year, but then if you show really, it will become a history. How it started from scratch, you should take something and develop and show, apply.
So I think what that leads me to say is two things. One is probably the application of this is for a social cause.
Yeah.
And the other one is the application of this for a commercial cause.
Yes.
And so we want probably some ideas in this brainstorming session on both.
Yes. Both should be there.
So both should be there.
Two faces in a coin.
Two faces in a
coin.
Sure. So on the social side, I think I'll just say from what part we can play as an organization on the social side. Because one of our verticals is to work with corporates or with organizations, to look at effective engagement through the social, through the corporate social responsibility. So if whatever project was picked today, so say for example, or idea was picked for the social application, then we would want to perhaps, depending on if everybody felt that we were the right people to lead it, to bring it to fusion, then we would lead on it. We will identify the corporate social partners who can engage with it, who will put money, resources into it to make it happen.
Yes.
So that is one part. The other part is in terms of the commercial side. Whatever is the commercial side of each one of the participant organizations here. If people felt again that we could play a part in that way, a small or a big part, whether it is in terms of training or whether it is in terms of embedding or whether it is in terms of hand-holding support or architecture design. Because we are not talking about this in terms of, we don't have an axe to grind as far as a client is concerned or as far as a vendor is concerned. We see ourselves as totally being independent. We are basically, I would like to call ourselves as trusted advisors.
Okay.
Right. So what we are saying is that you could trust us. Obviously, we have said that most of the knowledge that we have, we'll share it with you free, where for most part. But if there is, time is a very valuable resource. But if our time is involved, right, and then I think what we're saying is at this stage, time has to be factored in, and it has to be costed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So time has to equate to money at some point. Right. So against that background and that consideration, I think let's have a brainstorming session.
One statement of Narayan Murthy, who is a successful person who is built. On 16th August he made in Mysore, just not even a month back.
Sure.
A month back, probably 29, today is 15th September. 16th August he made a statement in Mysore. It has been one of the core statements in Infosys. What is that? A real good to public in long term ensures a very good private life. So the cost is a very great statement.
Sure.
Because Narayan Murthy worked for others, he went to make others rich. In effect, he turned out to be rich. He has made others also rich, but he had real mission of making people are struggling for money anywhere you go.
True.
People, whoever,
Sure.
the more they have, the more they are struggling. In fact, lesser are actually more contented. So he wanted to eradicate this poverty to some extent. I mean, rather than poverty, people feeling we don't have money. So he built Infosys. And even drivers in Infosys, you know, 9 crores of rupees they have today because they had shares. But he actually proved that. What is that? Making public good with real intention will lead to a long-term private good. Very good statement, I think. So we can take a public cause, each one tell a field. We will eliminate and come to a field. And that field, what each can contribute. Some may contribute. Later, what comes, I tell you, money part. We will see that. And if money is really required for that, one model we should take, Surendra sir, from my point.
Sure,
of
sir,
view,
sure.
and show it the CRP works. It will be a great advantage for you also to market it.
Sure.
You know, I mean, I am talking of 10 years, because when I met Dr. Abdul Kalam, I am fortunate to meet some great visionaries of India. At this distance, he was saying, he had always 10 years plan. Anything you want to do, 10 years plan. Even till his last day, he is working 10 years plan. But till that, he has executed, and he is a great successful person.
Sure.
So that way, keep 10 years in mind.
Sure.
Assuming everybody has 10 years, definitely we are living for 10 years, okay? Definitely we are contributing and we reap the benefits of this project. I mean, keep the 10 years in mind. And take one project, work for 1 year and show product. I mean, it should help you next 9 years, just market that.
Sure.
Okay.
Actually spoke about this.
Yeah.
We would deliberately, whether we come with a case study
Yeah.
and whether we spend our time focusing in on a case study and the benefits of a case study, we took the conscious decision to relay theoretical perspectives because we didn't want to alienate people.
Yeah.
And our next step was actually to take the case study route. But the first step we needed to take was to convey the information. We didn't want, we had a detailed discussion about the way forward, and we knew the risks and the disadvantages of either approach, and we could really have been that we had identified a case study, but what we thought is that a case study is beneficial only for that individual organisation, and that perhaps would alienate somebody in another industry sector. We've had many people from different industry sectors, and so the next step of our journey is to look at the case study. I'd just like to say this: every critical success factor is based on a case study. It has to be. You have to observe an organisation. You don't make it's not a literature review does not reveal it. You have to have a validation point, which is why myself and a few others have been doing this. So we do have the case studies. We our time to do that would have compromised the other elements that we presented. We wanted to present a holistic picture of everything. So,
Dr. Andrew, I have a suggestion. Each one can tell a field in which they are good. We will
Converse to a field.
Sure.
Which is more relevant to all of us, and take an example whether we can, even if small, because all are believing each other. Start from trusting. We come to a field which what everybody can do in that field. Something one project will identify, apply here, show that it really works and makes beneficial to all those concerned. What is the benefit? How to share the next part? First, making it better. We'll jot down. We have got 25 more minutes. 30 minutes we are out here. Because I don't want Dr. Surendra to pay next day.
No.
I know these halls are like marriage ceremony. If you extend, those people will have deadlines.
No. We are okay for deadline.
No, I am okay. But is there any time today?
6 o'clock.
Well,
Six.
that's why I told. 25 minutes, 30 minutes extra will give them. That's how we should.
And we are well within our rights to demand another copy if you want.
Yeah. Identify fields, sir. Each one. Let me start from Madam. Madam, tell any one field where we want to do this ERP project. Because I don't want to leave. See, Anthony Robbins, you might be knowing. Many have read that video.
Yes.
Awakening the Giant, Unlimited. He was actually a janitor, cleaning toilets. But he comes as US president also. After 10 years, he got a jet helicopter, flew over the same building where he was cleaning the toilet. Such a remarkable thing he has done. He makes one statement. Most of the time, we are all capable, most of the time, our thoughts remain thoughts, somebody will act and get the benefit. So action is more important, thought is important, but action is more important. So let us identify a field today, do something about this seminar, make ELMS also something recognizing. We all will contribute.
every action is important.
See, he has given hospitality, given in Marriott Hotel, one good seminar with good intentions. Definitely one of the intention would be to make all of us beneficial, including them. Let's identify it. Madam, start with you. Ladies first.
I would live for disability.
Question?
Disability.
Disability. Okay.
Because we are dealing with
No problem. Surendra sir, let us start. Tell one field impassionately or passionately. I mean,
No, passionately, impassionately.
yeah. Something which could be interesting to all and where we can all contribute, probably. I mean, where we have something to.
No, I think that perhaps there is something on involving disabled people, obviously, because we need inclusion and diversity is the order of the day. Right? So we need to include people, and we need to include people just not only in terms of their physical abilities or disabilities, but also across all class divides, social divides, economic strata, etc., etc. So I think what we are saying really is if we can do something that cuts across and affects everybody, there might, and one such issue could be education.
Education. Okay.
I
I will write the word education.
Okay, and one such thing would be education. I'm saying that purely because two reasons. One is that if you look at the world's sustainability development goals, which have been now, which have now come into effect and replaced the Millennium Development Goals,
Okay.
then education we rank very poorly. India ranks very poorly.
Yes.
And there are more than 30 million children who should be in education and who are out of it.
Okay.
So education for all
Education.
is one.
Fantastic. Dr. Andrews, give one field.
The reason why I entered into the fabulous world that is ERP is because I'm a marketer by career. And we had a failure, an implementation failure. And I saw half of my good friends and staff of an organization made redundant because it didn't run correctly. As a marketer, chartered marketer, it was prime that utopia that we were hoping for direct marketing wasn't there for us. We were thinking that suddenly we connected with the finance department and with procurement and with dispatch, and said behavioural data, and this would have tripled our turnover. During the implementation, they didn't speak to us in the marketing department, not once. I mean, we should have questioned it. We went to the accounts department, this usually is. They count the beans, the stock. The day of go live, I'll tell you what happened. The first customer called through, and the MD was sat on the customer contact centre trying to make sure that everybody improves. The question that he asked this the MD was, I would like the same as I ordered last time, please. They hadn't migrated in historic data from the organisation. My point is that direct marketing